Hey there, financial adventurers. Welcome back to Thrifty Finance PH, where we unravel the mysteries of personal finance and guide you toward a brighter financial future. Today, we're going headfirst into a topic that forms the bedrock of financial success: budgeting. Budgeting is not just about numbers on a spreadsheet. It is your passport to financial freedom and empowerment. Whether you're looking to slay debt dragons, save for that dream vacation, or invest in your future, a well-created budget is your ultimate weapon. In this video, we're going to discuss budgeting, breaking it down into simple, actionable steps that anyone, even those who have avoided spreadsheets, can master. A budget is a detailed financial plan that outlines your expected income and expenses over a specific period, typically a month. It's a tool that helps you manage your money, allocate funds to different categories, and make informed decisions about your spending and saving habits. A well-constructed budget allows you to track where your money is coming from and where it's going, helping you to achieve your financial goals more effectively. Let us now discuss the 15 steps in creating a budget. Number 1. Calculate your income. Gather all sources of income, including your salary, wages, freelance work, rental income, and any other money you receive regularly. Use your after-tax income to ensure accurate budgeting. Number 2. List your expenses. Make a comprehensive list of all your expenses. Categorize them into fixed expenses, those that stay relatively consistent month to month, like rent or mortgage, and variable expenses, those that can vary, like groceries and entertainment. Number 3. Identify non-monthly expenses. Include non-monthly expenses such as annual insurance premiums, property taxes, and holiday gifts. Divide the yearly cost by 12 to determine a monthly allocation. Number 4. Track your spending. For a month, track every expense, no matter how small. This helps you understand your spending habits and identify areas where you might be overspending. Number 5. Categorize your expenses. Categorize your expenses into needs, like housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, and wants, like dining out, entertainment, subscriptions. This helps you prioritize essential expenses. Number 6. Set financial goals. Determine your short-term and long-term financial goals. This could include saving for an emergency fund, paying off debt, saving for a vacation, or investing for retirement. Number 7. Allocate funds. Allocate a specific amount of your income to each expense category. Start with your needs, then distribute funds to your wants and savings goals. Number 8. Adjust your spending. Compare your allocated funds to your actual spending. Adjust your spending behaviors to align with your budget. Look for areas where you can cut back. Number 9. Save first. Treat your savings as a non-negotiable expense. Set up automatic transfers to your savings accounts before allocating funds to other categories. Number 10. Use budgeting tools. Utilize budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or pen and paper methods to track your income and expenses. These tools can help you stay organized and monitor your progress. Number 11. Review regularly. Review your budget monthly. Compare your actual spending to your budgeted amounts and make adjustments as needed. Number 12. Plan for unexpected good fortune. Plan what you'll do with unexpected windfalls like tax refunds or bonuses. Allocating a portion to savings or debt payoff can accelerate your financial goals. Number 13. Be flexible. Life changes, and so should your budget. Be adaptable and adjust your budget when circumstances change. Number 14. Stay disciplined. Sticking to your budget requires discipline. Avoid impulsive spending and stay focused on your financial goals. Number 15. Celebrate small wins. Celebrate when you meet milestones, whether it's paying off a debt or reaching a savings goal. This positive reinforcement keeps you motivated. That concludes our video on budgeting for beginners. Remember, creating a budget is a dynamic process. It might take a few months to fine-tune your budgeting skills, so be patient with yourself. Regularly tracking your spending and adjusting your budget will help you take control of your finances and work toward achieving your financial aspirations. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.